Solve the equation tan 2x equal to 5 cot x. They told you to solve means you need to find the values of x in the interval 0 to 180 satisfying this particular equation. Okay, now first given equation is tan 2x equal to 5 cot x. Now how do we simplify this? See, whenever tan and cot you come across, tan replace it by sin by cos and cot replace it by cos by sin. Here it is tan 2x. So change it to sin 2x by cos 2x. And cot x will change to cos x by sin x. Clear so far? Next. Now do cross multiplication. This into this and this into this. So here sin 2x times sin x equal to 5 cos x times cos 2x. Clear? Next. To simplify, now I should make use of the formula sin 2x. Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. So replace that here. So it will be 2 sin x cos x sin x equal to 5 cos x. For cos 2x also we have formula. For cos 2x there are three formulas: cos square x minus sin square x, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1. As of now I am not sure which one shall I use will be helpful to me. In that case I will replace it later. So cos 2x no change. Now look in this entire equation. Does anything cancel out? Yes. I have cos x on this side, even cos x also on this side. So if I divide by cos x on both sides, so they cancel out, leaving me 2, and sin into sin will become sin square x, and on this side 5 times of cos 2x. So 2 sin square x equal to. Now I will replace cos 2x by what? Here I have got sin square x, so I will write cos 2x also in terms of sin. Clear? Here it is sin, so write cos 2x also in terms of sin. That is this one. So 5 times 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, next. Open up the bracket, or what do I mean is multiply with 5. So 5 minus 10 sin square x. Now take all the sin square to one side. So what I mean is this sin square and this sin square. This sin square I am shifting it over here. So this is 2 sin square x. Here it is minus. After shifting it will become plus. Plus 10 sin square x is equal to 5. Clear? 5 is staying on the same side. Next. 2 sin square x plus 10 sin square x is 12 sin square x equal to 5. Now make sin square x the subject. For that divide by 12 on both sides. So sin square x equal to 5 by 12. Clear? Now from this to get sin x, I should shift square to the other side. Whenever square gets shifted, it will become square root. So square root of 5 by 12. And also for square root, you will take both positive and negative. So now sin x equal to either positive under root 5 by 12 or sin x equal to negative under root 5 by 12. Okay, now sin is positive. So I should, to get the values for x, now I should check in what all quadrants is sin positive. It is like this. All silver tea cups. So sin is positive in the first and the second. Okay. So we should find an angle both in first and second. So x equal to get an angle in first quadrant, sin inverse under root 5 by 12, comma, to get an angle in the second, it has to be 180 minus sin inverse under root 5 by 12. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 40.2. If you put this, you get 139.8. Okay, now see here. Here sin is negative. So now I should check where all is sin negative. Sin is negative here and here. So I should find an angle over here and over here. But here you see, the given interval is from 0 to 180, means from here till here only. Even if I find these angles, they are not in the given interval. So no use of finding the angles in third and fourth quadrant because they are not in the given interval. In this case, both were in the given interval, so we found out. Okay. Thus, these are the values of x in the interval satisfying the given equation. Okay.